Here we have our new install of Vagrant Manager, a GUI tool providing centralized management of Vagrant machines. Vagrant Manager is only available on macOS and Windows at present. So we're back on our macOS 12.6.3 bare metal environment. I've copied our demo project over from my Ubuntu environment. And I've installed Vagrant VB Guest in my macOS environment. Finally, I created and destroyed this Vagrant managed machine a few minutes ago. This ensures that the one-time events and operations we've already seen, like box download, have been triggered. At this point, my macOS Vagrant setup should be in the same essential state as my Ubuntu Vagrant setup was when we last saw it. Let's open Vagrant Manager. Currently, it doesn't show any machines. Let's refresh. Still nothing. This is an important takeaway. Without additional configuration, Vagrant Manager ignores machines in the not created state. Let's bring up our machine. Time to refresh again. Now we can see a menu entry for our project in Vagrant Manager. Hover over the entry and a menu of options will be presented. With a single click on SSH, Vagrant Manager will open a terminal, change to the project directory, and run Vagrant SSH. One click and we're logged into our VM. By selecting Open in Terminal, Vagrant Manager will open a terminal and change to the project directory. No automated Vagrant SSH this time. However, you'll land in the project directory with a full command line, including Vagrant SSH, at your disposal. Let's select SSH to log into our machine. Now we have a new terminal window sitting at the prompt of our internal environment. We can run any commands available in our VM like normal. When ready, we can log out, and we end up at the prompt of our external environment. This is the same place where Open in Terminal would have taken us directly. Here, we can run any commands available to our bare metal environment like normal. Surprise, surprise, our machine is running. Close out of the terminal window using standard methods when ready. As we saw a moment ago, Vagrant Manager won't present machines in the not created state. If we destroy this machine, it will be removed from the menu. If you want specific machines present in Vagrant Manager, even when not created, you can bookmark them. Let's do so for demo now. And then destroy from Vagrant Manager. Click Confirm to move forward with the destruction. A task window opens and runs Vagrant Destroy on our behalf. Let's close out of that. We can see that Vagrant Manager has an entry for demo despite the fact that it's in the not created state. Now we can bring up our machine using Vagrant Manager. A task window opens and runs Vagrant up for us. Vagrant Manager exposes many useful Vagrant actions in clickable form. If you're most comfortable using a GUI environment, this tool may become a significant part of your Vagrant workflow. My main use case for Vagrant Manager is to quickly locate abandoned VMs. When priorities shift suddenly, it's all too easy to leave machines behind, needlessly consuming finite resources. For me, Vagrant Manager simplifies reclaiming CPU, memory, and storage resources currently tied up by discarded Vagrant machines. Let's clean up.